Welcome guys, draw a circle and draw a curve at the bottom and draw a rounded hand and a rounded leg and fill the belly. Draw two big ears and a fluffy tail, two big eyes. It's actually the eye patch. Draw the eyes and a cute nose and a cute snout. For the hungry panda, draw a piece of bamboo and color it black and green. Draw a huge stapler pin and two pins on the bottom. Fill the last two gaps and draw some big nails and fill the first gap with some trunk. Add big ears, big eyes and trunk and tail and paint it. Draw a number tree horizontally and a mirror tree and a normal tree at the sides and join them. Now make the shape on the bigger tree and join two ears at the sides. Make that self-full eyes and a little triangular cute nose. Add number 611 and at the bottom of that add some cute little paws. Add a naughty tail and color it. Draw a circle and on top of that a semicircle and on top of that two semicircles at the sides and detail the ear. Draw that self-full eye and two big nose and a cute smile. Draw that stapler pin 3 times and add in the shape. Now draw a little tail and add in the hooves of the huge hippo. Color it. Draw an oval shape horizontally and on top of that a huge semicircle and a heart-like shape in the middle. Draw the two ears and detail that. Draw that self-full eyes and a little nose and make it smile. The monkey. And draw number 2 at the bottom and connect the monkey with the bottom 2. Draw the hind legs and the cute paw and of course naughty tail and color your monkey with brown. Draw a circle and inside of it draw another circle and draw 2 dots as cute eyes and do the nostrils and a cute smile. Draw leaf-like ears on the sides and make a trunk top-like dress. Add in the trouser and draw the legs with hooves and also draw hands with hooves as well. Detail the pocket and color a pig. Draw a big number 9 and a big number 2 at the bottom and connect the bottom of the 2 with that curve. Draw 2 triangles on top and make that naughty tail and detail the tail's end. Draw a self-full eye and a little nose and add some paws and the foot as well. Detail the paws and color a squirrel with brown. Draw a line and add a semicircle at the bottom and one more semicircle inside. Add 2 small semicircles on the top and a bigger one on the top of that. Then add rounded triangles as a cat's ears and 2 self-full eyes and a little nose and cute little mouth. Add whiskers on each side and add the black patches on the cat plus black seeds on the watermelon. Color them up. Draw that simple bird design and inside of it another one and a curve. Fill the gap with zigzag lines and add in 2 triangles on top and 1 more triangles inside each. Add in the sleepy eyes and a little nose and draw 211 and add the paws in between. Complete the shape and add a naughty tail. Detail the tail's end and color the fox. Draw a big circle and number 6 twice below each other and do the mirror image of that on the other side. Draw big ears and self-full eyes and a cute snout and a heart in inside. Thank you guys for watching this video.